In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner using PowerPoint. Now, this might sound a bit unconventional since PowerPoint is typically associated with presentations, but it's actually a very flexible tool that can be used for a variety of creative projects. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're already familiar with PowerPoint, you'll know that it's very user-friendly, but even if you're new to it, don't worry. I'll walk you through each step clearly and straightforwardly. Now that you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the Design tab at the top of the interface. This is where we'll begin customizing the dimensions of your slide to fit the exact requirements for a YouTube banner. YouTube has specific requirements for banner dimensions, and it's crucial to get these right to ensure that your design looks perfect across all devices. Once you're in the Design tab, look for and click on the Slide Size option. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, we want to select Custom Slide Size. By choosing this, you give yourself the freedom to input the exact dimensions needed for your YouTube banner. Now you'll see a couple of drop-down menus and fields for width and height. In the first drop-down menu, make sure that Custom is selected. Custom layouts help ensure your slide fits precisely to the size specifications required for online graphics. Next, we need to input the dimensions. For the width, type in 1546px, and for the height, enter 423px. These measurements will provide the ideal size for your YouTube banner, ensuring that it is displayed clearly and without distortion on all platforms. After you've entered these values, simply click OK. This will adjust your slide to the correct proportions automatically, setting you up to start designing your banner. The next step is the fun part, editing and creating the graphics for your banner. This is where your creativity can truly shine. You can add images, text, and colors that align with your personal or business branding. PowerPoint offers a range of tools for this, from inserting shapes and images to playing around with text formatting. You can experiment with different styles until you find one that perfectly represents your channel's identity. And there you have it. With all these steps completed, you've successfully created a YouTube banner using PowerPoint. It's a handy guide to crafting something unique without needing complex graphic design software. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make a stunning YouTube banner for your channel.